Neutrons, they are basically everywhere. 50% of our mass of things around us is made of neutrons. And it has been used by science for decades to use unique properties of neutrons. These have been made in large research facilities, and they have been used by scientists to do different experiments that have been really important for progressing on science and technology. At DAS, we had the idea to downsize everything to have these neutrons available for industry on a small, compact, useful machine and cheap. VULCAN unique cell proposition is to use the neutrons as a penetrating probe to measure what happens in the lithium batteries. So to check during operation the aging of these batteries and to better understand this phenomenon that will limit the lifetime of such batteries. The same machine can be used to investigate the fuel cells, which is also a very important part of the energy transition. On top of that, the same machine can also measure the internal stress into metallic and ceramics material to see how these parts are stressed internally. It's a completely non-destructive technique.
The project started as a collaboration between DAES, the Danish Technological Institute, and XNOVA Technology. With the funding support from the Eureka Eurostars program, we're developing a compact, accelerator-driven neutron source where a charged particle beam produces neutrons in a water-cooled target. We recently entered a partnership with CERN. We will use one of their accelerators to test our prototype target moderator reflector system, and CERN's accelerator scientists will design and optimize the accelerator for the future iteration of VULCAN.
Neutrons are produced by the interaction between an incoming electron beam with the target material. From an engineering point of view, it mainly consists of a cryogenic system made of a two-stage cryocooler, a metallic chamber where methane is liquefied at 100 Kelvin to moderate neutrons, and a vacuum chamber that allows for thermal insulation.
At CERN, we are developing new concepts and new technologies for future accelerators. One such concept is the compact linear collider called CLIC. The realization of VULCAN, which is an affordable and compact accelerator that uses this CLIC high gradient technology, is very interesting because it can drive lithium-ion and fuel cell electron research for more efficient batteries, and it fits the bill perfectly of this program.
As a part of our collaboration with DAES, we have been preparing the CLEAR facility for the safe installation and the experimental testing of the prototype version of the target moderator reflector.
We're also designing a particle accelerator for the VULCAN facility. We're able to create an accelerator that is just a few meters in length. This fits perfectly within the VULCAN aims of a compact, affordable and efficient facility.
What's next for VULCAN? We will test, of course, the target moderator reflector at CLEAR facility at CERN, and we will have a clear indication of the neutron performances of the future machine. Of course, we need also to continue developing the design of the accelerator that will shoot on the target, and then we will have a complete machine, certainly by the end of 2025, ready to be used by industry.